In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide the WordPress admin bar. If the bar distracts you while viewing your site as an admin, this quick tweak will give you a cleaner browsing experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress account with administrative privileges. Then, head to the Users section in your dashboard and click Edit on your profile. Scroll down to the section labeled Toolbar or something similar. You'll see a checkbox that says Show Toolbar when viewing site. By default, this is checked, which is why the admin bar appears. To hide it, simply uncheck this box. Finally, scroll to the bottom and click Update Profile to save your changes. That's it. The admin bar will no longer appear when you browse your site, giving you a cleaner and more immersive view. If you ever want the admin bar back, just return to your profile settings and recheck the box.